Come, let me get you out. No, you can't come out. Come, we get you out. Come now. Come. Come, I don't know why you're going there in the first place. Come. Come out. Jaden, stop. Really, Jaden? Jesus. Yeah. Yes, this is what kids does to your place. It's right. Open the closet. Left it. You think you're funny, don't you? It's not funny. Ah! Crap. Careful. Yes, get out. Come, Kara, get out. Come. Yeah, get out. Yes. Come out. Yes, Jaden. Clothes. Take up back my clothes and put them back. No, really? Come, Kara. Get up. Yeah. Right. Get out. Jaden. Hello, stop that. What do you mean you're not stopping? Don't do that. Jaden. Okay. Jesus. Yeah. This is my life. So nice. Kids destroyed the place. Hello. Alright, you guys need to get out now. Come. Come, get out. Kara. Kara, get out. You need to come out. Come. Ringleader, come out. Oh, no, no!